Welcome to AI Run the Show, your go-to destination for the latest and greatest in artificial intelligence and technology. In today's episode, we're delving into a significant update from OpenAI that promises to revolutionize how developers fine-tune AI models for specific needs. Whether you're a seasoned developer, an AI enthusiast, or someone intrigued by the future of technology, this is an episode packed with insights you won't want to miss. OpenAI has recently rolled out fine-tuning capabilities for its GPT-4o model, a development that empowers developers to customize and enhance the model for better performance and accuracy tailored precisely to their unique applications. This exciting feature, launched on April 20th, is now available to all developers across every paid usage tier, opening up new possibilities for AI-driven innovation. In its official announcement, OpenAI explained, developers can now fine-tune GPT-4o using custom datasets to achieve higher performance at a lower cost for their specific needs. Fine-tuning enables the model to adapt to specific tasks, refine the tone and structure of responses, and follow complex domain-specific instructions. What's remarkable is that developers can achieve significant results with just a few dozen examples in their training datasets, making this a highly accessible and impactful tool. Prior to this public release, OpenAI conducted extensive testing of the fine-tuning feature with a select group of partners. One example highlights how a company providing AI-driven software engineering assistance utilized fine-tuning to train the model for producing specific responses and output formats. This case demonstrates the power of fine-tuning in creating specialized, high-performance AI solutions that align closely with business objectives. A key advantage emphasized by OpenAI is that fine-tuned models remain fully under the developer's control, with complete ownership of all business data, including inputs and outputs. This assurance of data privacy and security is especially critical for industries where data protection is paramount, offering businesses confidence that their proprietary information is safeguarded. The importance of domain-specific training is also gaining traction as a crucial aspect of AI's role in the workplace. Experts suggest that industry-specific AI models, which are trained on validated datasets and fine-tuned with proprietary data, represent the most secure and productive path forward for enterprises. These customized models are poised to drive innovation and efficiency across various sectors, enabling businesses to leverage AI in ways that are both effective and aligned with their unique needs. In addition to the fine-tuning capabilities, OpenAI has been rolling out another game-changing feature, an advanced voice mode for its ChatGPT platform, also powered by the GPT-4o model. This new feature provides hyper-realistic, real-time audio responses, significantly enhancing the way users interact with ChatGPT. The ability to engage in dynamic, fluid conversations, even interrupting the AI mid-sentence, makes this an incredibly versatile tool for both personal and professional use. That wraps up today's episode of AI Run the Show. OpenAI's introduction of fine-tuning capabilities for GPT-4o, along with the rollout of the advanced voice feature, marks a pivotal moment in the AI landscape. These advancements are not only enhancing the capabilities of AI models, but also empowering developers and businesses to create more tailored, effective solutions. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the latest innovations from OpenAI. As always, we're committed to keeping you informed about how AI is shaping the future. If you found this episode insightful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next episode here on AI Run the Show.